Hello everyone. This is Yi Yang from Computer Science, UCSB Computer Science Department. Today I'm going to introduce you an application called Healthy Diary. I'm going to give it an introduction into two parts. One is overviewing about my application, another is the technology I use to build all the application. So for the overviewing, so in my application, you can log in and sign out with your Google account. And once you sign in, it give you the option to record your daily information, and including food, exercise, and weight. And also on the web page, it's display all the information, all your daily healthy information as well. Another part is that it offers you the management to manage your daily photos and you can create albums and add photos in the album, delete photo, and also see the gallery of all the photos within an album. Another part is you can search food in in one location, and it's give you the marker of each restaurant. And once you click the marker, you can see the detailed information about this restaurant. Another kit I use is that you can send email once with the attachment of your weight information to your Google account, Gmail account, once you click the sending email button. And the technology I use Google App Engine APIs like Data Store, Memcache, Blob Store, TestQ. So for Data Store, I use to store the user basic information, and also I use Memcache to store as well. So when I store the user information, I not only store it in the data store, but also store it in the Memcache. So next time when I fetch it, I firstly check whether it had checking the Memcache. If the Memcache does not have it, I then check the data store, so that it speed up the fetching speed. Another API I use is Blob Store API to store the uploaded photos. I also use TestQ API to schedule email service. Another Google API I use is Google Map API. I use to localize the user, the position, and give the markers of each restaurant is found, and also create information windows of each restaurant with detailed information. So for each Google App Engine API, I expose GET and post RESTful API using JSON to send and receiving data, and also use JAXRS. For the whole project, I use Maven for package and building the project. Another for testing, I use Selenium to exercise Google App API, and also in Linux command, I use curve command to read and write for each service. For the back, so I also use the Bootstrap and JavaScript for to make the web page more beautiful. So let's see the demo of my Java application. As you can see, this is the home page of my application Healthy Diary. So you can sign in with your Google account. Once you sign in, it offers you the menu, the option you want to record. Firstly, you can record today, and let's first check record history first. So this is the record history. This is the record I created. I can delete it. And so let's create today's record. Create today and continue record detail. So this is the other part of the today's record. You can record in perspective of food, exercise, and weight. So food. For food, we can search something to eat. You can enter the city you are in and search. So on the left side, it shows all the restaurant is searched, and on the right side, it shows all the map. And on the map, there is a lot of markers of each restaurant. Once you click the marker, it shows you the detail of the restaurant. And then and you can check out all the restaurant with photos on the left side. And once you click, it can give you the information on the map. So this is about food map. And go back to record. You can record what you eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And click submit. Once it's submit to the data store and memcache, it can show on the right side what you have for the breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And also choose to record exercise. And you can see the exercise on today, on the date March 16 for running. And also you can record weight. So send the reminder. Once you click send reminder email, it sends the weight information to your Gmail account like this. So let's log in our Gmail account and see what happened. So it's very soon send the email to your Gmail account. So this is all about the record. And if you another tips is that you cannot record for the same day. And since the record has already exists, you can check it out in the record history. And this is all the record you create, and this is the record you created, and you can update it. So this is all about the record part. Another part is the album part. So for the album part, it shows all the album you created. Let's create the album. And you can give the notes for this album. Choose file to create that. Oh, it's the same. And once you created it, you can click it and it shows you all the photos in this album. You can add photos and submit. And then you can see the photo you created, you uploaded. And also you can delete photo in the gallery. And then back to the album. Also, let's create an album without a photo. So once you created the photo without album, you can click it to add more photo in it. Okay, so this is about my album part. So this is all the part of the healthy diary. This is the demo of my application, and then let's see the code. So I use Eclipse to write the code, and so for the gallery part, I use the I expose the get REST API for JAXRS API using JSON to get the data and then showed all the image. And also for the album part, I also use getJSON to expose to the to a get API. So this is all about my Java application. If you have any question, you can send me the email. Thank you.